Hello, everyone. This is your coach Geeta Dubey, and I'm back again with another very important topic. And since we are in the beginning of the year, we'll be talking about what all we can do to achieve our goals this year. So, another topic which we'll be discussing today is let's make this 2024 this year is your comeback year. So let's not leave any stone unturned to understand that why we are not reaching to our goals. So we'll cover up most of them. All right. So I hope you're all with me on that. And we have to make this year your comeback year, and you should be able to achieve all your goals by the end of this year. So it's just the beginning. So we'll do all the right things, we'll get all the right resources, all the right elements to make our dreams into our realities. So I hope you're all with me here today. And today is going to be really important. The tips which I'll be discussing with you, you would realize that you really have to make changes where you feel that you're not able to move towards your goal. Okay. So with that, don't forget to please press the bell icon and of course the like button so that I know that I'm on the right path and making videos for you all. And of course, also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with all this, let's this year be your comeback year. And here, let's get started. Make 2024 the greatest comeback of your life. I said that, right? Are you already with me? Because I'm equally excited and I want to make it this year should be a comeback for you in whatever you want to achieve in your life. And may all the successes you get and may all the endeavors you're trying to accomplish in this year. Okay? So the question, what we'll be addressing today, do you ever feel like that you have hit the rock bottom? So many people come to me when they realize that they cannot move ahead from here and they feel that they've hit the rock bottom. Life, like life has dealt you a hand and you can't possibly recover from it. So many people feel that they cannot recover from the once they have hit the rock bottom. Well, I have a news for you. It's the time to make 2024 the greatest comeback year of your life. And please type in yes in the comments that you're ready to do it. Number one, what you should be doing to make it a comeback year. Embrace your failures. I keep saying that, but please keep that in your mind. The moment you start to really believing in it that okay, you can embrace your failures and there's nothing wrong with it, then you can move ahead. Okay, so in this journey you will face obstacles, you will stumble and fall, but remember, it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back. Untapped potential. We all have some potentials in us which we have not tapped into yet. So you have untapped potential within you, believe that way. It's a time to unleash it, break through the barriers that held you back for far too long. It's a time to spread your wings and soar. Okay, so I want you to think like that. I'm unique. I have some untapped potential which needs to be explored. Fire in you. This won't be easy, okay? But greatness never is. It's time to embrace the fire within you, push yourself beyond your limits, to defy expectations and prove naysayers wrong. Okay? So why I'm using all this differently, that you have untapped potential, you have fire in you, because I want you to think like that. I really want you to get yourself program your mind in such a way that you're thinking like that these are the things you do possess. Okay? And then what happens once you start thinking like that? You start to redefine yourself. Now, if there was something done in the past that was an old story, now you need to write a new story. So in 2024, you have the power to redefine yourself. So forget about whatever has happened in the past, like from 23 or any other years, just get them out of your mind. So you need to start a new story today and take a paper and a pen, start writing in what you want to accomplish, what are your goals, what you want to achieve. Just do it. So in 2024, you have the power to redefine yourself, to rewrite your own story, okay? To rise from the ashes, become the person you always meant to be. Please do it for yourself. Let's do it all together right now. So be ready with your pen and paper and start writing what you really, really want to accomplish. Since it's the very beginning of the year, let's do it together. Conquer your fears. Of course, you have to, correct? Because the truth is, the only thing standing between you and your ultimate comeback this year is fear. Embrace the struggle and embrace the journey. You're stronger than you think. So you can make an affirmation over here if you really want to deal with it that way. You can say, I am stronger than I think. And that will really help you. It's a simple affirmation, which you can repeat it for 30 days and you'll start to see changes happening within you. Make 2024 your year of redemption. Year where you break all barriers, you conquer all fears. Let's do it. Even if it's 1 fear, 2 fear, 3 fear, write down your fears today, write down your barriers today, and just tap into your full potential. Write down something. Okay, this year for me, I would write down, I need to work upon, let's say, something in my business, right? Or something in my coaching, correct? I need to get so X number of clients or something, anything you can write. And how I'm not getting it, what am I not doing right? So write down your fears right now with me. Don't postpone it. While you're watching this video, just do it this year. Just take a small notebook, write down your fears, write down your barriers, write down your blocks. Write down your struggles, real struggles. So you are basically revisiting them and seeing them. Okay, these are my struggles. How can I move ahead? If you seriously want to make 2024 your comeback year, so you have to do some work over there. Okay? Believe in yourself. So many people lack this very important emotion. And why they lack? Because they are carrying so much of fear. They don't know how to face the failures. They don't know how to face the struggles. They have so many barriers, blockages, beliefs. All right? Okay. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any challenge. So it is for not me that I could say, let's say if your name is any of your name, let's say your name is John, and I say, John, believe in yourself. Would that work? Absolutely not. Unless you say that I believe in myself. Okay? Surround yourself with the people who lift you up and inspire you to be better. Whether it's a 1 friend, 2 friend, networking group, anything. But be with the people who understand you and understand how to get you back if you have fallen. Okay? Become the person you're meant to be. We keep saying that, but how many of us are able to achieve it? Okay? So remember, success is not just about reaching your goals. It's about growing into a person you were destined to become. So if I look back my own journey for past 8, 9, 10 years, it's amazing what I've become now. From being a scientist and becoming a coach. So you have to, if you believe in all these things, you have to do it, all of them collectively. And then see how your journey turns out. And you will become the person you're meant to be. So with that, are you ready to embark on this journey? Put the date on, today's date, write your whatever I've written over there, your failures, how you embrace them, your struggles, your blockages, your blocks, your mindsets, wrong mindsets, write them all. Because revisit them after 30 days and keep doing it what I'm asking you to do. And also do the affirmation, I am stronger than I think. Okay? To make the 2024 the year of your ultimate comeback. And nobody should be able to stop you, including me. All right? So it's the time to rise and thrive and to make your mark in the world. Do it for yourself. You owe it to yourself. Okay? So, what are the key points? I'm just going to reiterate all of them. So, first one was embrace your failures, very important. Just don't look at your failures as something you lack, but you can learn and grow from them. And untapped potential. Think about your own untapped potential. You don't have to look at anybody, work on yourself. And then after that, fire in you. You do have some kind of passion in you which you need to explore. So, work on that. Redefine yourself. How you can redefine yourself? Rewrite a new story from today onwards. So let's say today, put the date, put the year, put the time, and rewrite your story. That's how you redefine yourself. A new story which does not have glimpses of the past. It's absolute new, fresh story for you. Conquer your fears. You have to conquer your fears. So let's say if you're writing a new story and you feel, oh my gosh, I could not do it that thing last time. Should I still write it in my new story? Then you rewrite it as I have already done it in your new story. Okay? Something you were not able to do it last time, you rewrite as I have done it. That's rewriting a new story for yourself. Believe in yourself. Of course, you have to believe in yourself. Nobody else can come and believe it for you. So do believe in yourself. Become the person you're meant to be. And after doing all this, all the above points, just see how far you have come in your journey and you have become the person you're meant to be. So with that, make 2024 your comeback year with all these points and starting it today. And do mention in the comments how many have you started it, and how many have you started already thinking, okay, these are the things I need to do to achieve my goals and making my dreams the ultimate realities. All right. With that, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to press the bell icon and like button so that I know I'm on the right path of making such inspiring videos for you all. Do comment, please. Please, anyone, please ask me any questions. Comment on this video what you would like to know. How is your journey so far? Are you making it a comeback year or not, 2024? Because I am. And with you, I'm also going to be working on myself this year. And by the end of this year, we'll all talk about it again. All right. Do visit to my website, and you can always book a 15 minutes call with me if you want to know something more. And last but not the least, please do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back again with such live business growth tips, and of course with the motivational tips. I'll be back. And with all that, you all have a wonderful day.